Hey guys, and welcome back to Swords City. Today we are just going to be showing you how to make a mixed tag on wwe2k24. So a lot of you are probably just going to go like this and press R3 and it'll take you to this screen. So there is a shortcut. Then you can just move up one and delete it and automatically turn into a mixed tag. I don't want to save that, so it doesn't matter anyway. There, if for a quicker way, you could just move on to view the mixed tags, and then press R3 to create. Just say you might want a normal starter to be first, and then you will automatically be transitioned to the next gender. Let's delete both of them, and we can start. And then, if you really want, you can start with a woman, and then it automatically switch the next one to a male. Hope you all liked that video. Please like and subscribe, especially if you enjoyed the video. I'd love the support. Well, I'll just let you go now. Bye.